We will now have a welcome address by Shri Don Kupar Takhar, President Seng Khasi Kmie, Mokhar, Shillong.
Honorable Governor of Meghalaya, Shri Satya Pal Malik, distinguished guests, ladies and gentlemen. On behalf of the Seng Khasi Kmie, at the very outset, I would like to express my sincere gratitude to the Honorable Governor for giving permission to the Seng Khasi to screen this documentary film called Kyntien, and to be present with us here this morning for this program. Thank you very much, sir. I also like to welcome our friends from the Ramakrishna Sohra Ashrama, our another friend from the Ramakrishna Mission Shillong, the friends from the Central Puja Committee, the Shillong Buddhist Association, our friends from the RSS, who have spared their valuable times to be with us for this minimal program. I also welcome all the guests present here this morning to witness this documentary film of the Seng Khasi. And with wasting time, I request Shri Singh Kharmar, who is the Personal Secretary of the Seng Khasi Kmie, to highlight something about this film and to screen this documentary film immediately. Thank you very much. Please.
Thank you, sir. A very good morning to you all. Before we commence the screening, I'd like to say a few words about the film you're about to watch. The film is a window into the timeless and eternal wisdom of the Khasis. Wisdom that is growing more relevant with each passing day. The film is a spiritual journey from and into the foundations of Nyam Khasi, the indigenous faith of the Khasis, which is a unique bloom in a diverse garden of flowers nurtured by Mother India. The film reminds us that we all live on Mother Earth and that our foremost duty is to take care of and protect her. It also reminds us that righteousness is earned, it is not given or taken, and that harmony and balance is achieved with truth as guide in actions and words and thought. The sacred tales, Ikhanatang, shown in this film, carry all these lessons and teachings within them. The film closes with this jewel of Khasi thought. Within each of us is an eternal golden bridge to true inner peace, which brings strength to believe in ourselves. This is the path of understanding of fellow man, the path to realization of self and divinity within. The film also introduces the viewer to the Seng Khasi and their role in preserving the Khasi tenets and sacred roots, roots that are deeply embedded in the land and its people. Uneotrap Neoskum, the 7 huts, 7 families, are believed to be the progenitors of humankind. The stories of these origins is not bound by time and stretches much farther and wider than we can ever imagine. To believe in yourself is the greatest belief, and the film intends to share this message and inspire that search to know oneself, the foundation necessary to reach all other understandings. Before concluding, I express the deepest gratitude to the great Khasi writer and philosopher, Rangbah Sumar. His writings have made it possible for us to venture into the vast realm of the Khasi way of life, belief, and thought. The film uses his book, Kajutang, The Covenant, as the base to tell all these precious stories through this medium, for the first time ever. He can't be with us today, but you will hear his voice narrating the film. Finally, infinite bows of gratitude must be given to all the women and men young and old, from the past and here in the present, who have worked selflessly to ensure that the world continues to be blessed with the eternal wisdom of the Khasis and their indigenous faith, Niam Khasi, Yaimina Kublai. Without further ado, Seng Khasi Kmie presents to you Kahap Kashi Kyntien, Truth.
Ublay ka blay ki blay long blay. Unong bu unong tao na lora tapin. Unong pelong unong penman. Unong bu benta unong sam benta. Unong pendap unong penbiang. Unong serinyeng unong serita. Unong ay unong penkam. Unong tung unong tir. Ubala ubayay. Ublay balai, kablay may ng hukum. Ublay try kanrat, siyajar ngo, siyajar dem. Nagahok kasi Kyntien, balabu la pelong penman. Yupor nadu balabu la tao. Yakalingit kalangor bam cukut. Bamla banjo, ye ka sorkep, alor ka beneng ka sahit. Lapelong penman, ye ka pertai, ka berwin ka basyat pelun lensun. Mariang, merilok, merisan, merilang. Kasni kas em basyit, kas em basyai. Kas em bamar kangi kelung. Ubnai kat sausnya Jylliew lempuin. Naka yau beiram o utaulang basa. Lakai keleer ke gading. Kikun prangsi badan jing im. Ke kersai nadu kendai tang di. Khoj suba ksiar ruba. Kading berhem pensaat pensit. Kading bari sumar bis garam. Nang kesni kalong nangkong. Long kamau long kanar. Hatala long kawa Jylliew kayar. Kilom bejrang batpian. Hata salong plang luber. La tuj ki umrit, la rengkok ki umba. La kup la sem ke meramo, la jingam ke mariang. La spe la shilut ki klau ki tap, la mi ki bapar la mi ki baher. La tenshan ke sni ubnai, ki laifau klor has sahet neng. Day haka ayam ksiar, ki kandro trap, kandro skum. Ki her ki kiu na jingking ksiar. Ki sni ki por ka satijuk. Kandro ki sno, yedri kak a. Tang nok tang dri, tang ya tang try. Man la ka step ka sni. La pertai sni, ki rap ki riang. Mrei ka meram au ka god ka nam. Bamdan ug nosinchar. Ublay ki blay ka menang hukum. Kisngo kisngap ki pet ki i. La syong nang kong ka Dorbar blay. Ka baperkat pusan bishar. La tau lawa nadong syadong. Da pansara klemla klemno Shillong. Dorbar blay kumta karai. Bakandai trap halor gensa. Uhnyu trap, uhnyu skum. Un her setipian kum nong senchar. Kumta jutang juban jubat. Sakhi muhar kasyap kular. Ki blay long blay ka may hukum. Yo uhnyu trap, uhnyu skum. us lakria nongyalam nalinti saintli ki nyorong dingdo sanshar bishar ura ki pai hakler usapadning kabha sanshar yo hinyo labu uhnyo pangsnyat uhnyo spang kumu longsan mansan shikrum kabenang sisne kapertai us perhat kamailili kerhu kitit thaba klak klak kipam gimat yasniu yasme ya besanya ketiar nong dusman kumtala sang kanyam garukom riti dustur kisang yasnong kirat kiit kihima utrai kanrat babu betau laknoru pet bishare baro kalong gaman ladai ke por bansam yabha bat ki bynta kumta darbar blay sa sisin kasyong bansingap banso kaya pan kaya sat nagi laipo jing thao unyo trap unyo skum upan ka kamay ho uyo ka ktin ka buj dingdo sansyar ulong unyo pangsiat unyo spang unyo ringkau basa pat unri kalong gentang utlan uway nagi bakarao batri upun bisini yu unyo trap nyawasan upan kabha ban bam long riew ban kamay tekalong spa Im senjang kamelisan kablay senjar ki benrap yas senjar kadar alor ki life housing tau bandan kesuk bandan kesang ban bejrinti pertai mariang napo keslur yang sat sunon yang dor yang rasong kadau nyutrep halakan yam teblay saudong saput saukun keri Nzai jing kamu tlen kane ban bam long riew kamay long spa kumta din yay kami kasan ya pertai ka kadum kat banang pam bajlia ukla kidak bomom kidam dei buj iprech sao bos di berdat kadinyay ka klem kram kumta pajba pajspa kan hoy risan belawan pat jing shit jing shai life ho jing thao pen kre kumta katam kaput kesat kakman kesni ubnai ki shipara alumpang shat ki wan dirpor kisha keno kisha kensi kenha kesni kapet yamrem sakram lamat latang mengi pedri pertai klip klip kadum sa sisen pat kabam long riew kamay long spa hapadang lai phau jing thao kan rei ragot kan sha terut kikri hapadang kadum ka sayong hit manuban lai yasa ye tho dorbar lai phau jing thao lalum lalang shano kasnang shano ka kraw satang pensit pensat pensoi wat la kata dorbar larai gawai ban bha lam ktin sha unong thao ban map kilat kitam duna la her ka dor long brew man brew hati ukla ko siang ki badan ka buj badan ka bor andrai kine bro kenran din ko karang ko pia wang ban kit mu ukit au ka jing sarong akmat mengi klemakor magor umdan buram umdan surum sakhi jingdam ka mengi sirdau hab ban kit kanat sawe badang ja darbar utaken องเคลียงทางลิงยงได้โคนลำบดโคนลำเบียงอุบคลำสปองคลำตรองริญญาลุงขัดเลเรตอุได้อุสเอรโกอุช่องหายโยชิมพรองหายโยสิมพายขมัดดอร์บาลไลพอจึงเท้าอุพลายอะไรจึงกลัดบลงลำเบียงขัดดูกองบันนิจามินขมัดไม่งีบชิดบชายกุมตาลำบุดลำเบียงดิจิงสงริตสงเรียใจอุดันขมัดบุนงอุกราดเลนตีอุกราดสังเกตกลกัดละดาวละคาดิงสนิงที่อาจการเรียตริงดัสบุนมันซิมลักกุลาร์บักินsakhi dan bentalang apa duan tupat murad akram lamat latang pensngau akamat kamani kasim bishit kasim bishai wiasat yapan yatau usang kanyau crowd jutang the Kyntien hok the Kyntien sat ban lao apat sapsi lai po jing thao because AMC pat sa shisin junom kan shit kan shai pernai hang ta apne kilai mau bersiu sopat nang Shillong dingi kikri mingi sapmi chati sopat nang urungkau basa kari nyutrap Shillong yang nam buram yu lei Shillong dingi bajab kasay kajingdum kajingking kser mla ban yu isu jay kadaypat kamansim kser kabapniaso junum ubreu bat law nong thao nong bu kikeu kijing duai kijing kerpat kimansim kibaso ej songret shaw nong thao bat hiarpat kijingker khu jingker do na u balong ke kaba ke jutang jong lum sabat nang uyang hadu kini kisngi kipor Seng Khasi kadai ganong sumar jong kanyam khasi kabaki nongrim jong ka Shillong halor bat ringkat akabaki kon nyutrap kon nyuskum kilahir bat ikiu ikajingking kser bas sakhi ulum sopet neng aman lagas nam kadan kakiu pen rngiu pen ksan rngiu seduk ler jong ulum sopet neng akaba deki pau hajar upat ki poi seduk keduan kedupat baningu yedem yeduai pirat banio ikamensim jong teblei Kitemen kisan jong kanyam khasi kipinsingan lem hakane kasngi pen rngiu hakaduai kakarpat kango kadam kumba kakme kabusa yalaki khon lembau sopet kumtaru ulom sopet neng uyang rasong panpene penskem ika hok kasikentin ukon nyutrap nyuskum
Ane kenrat ko nang bu ko nang thau ko mai blai ko pa blai bai ane kenrat kamba penar mabi ane ya kalong mo ben riu hasini hasila mo imai iramau kenra ane bangi layar ngi lalong mo ki khon kenra ro khon yo bay khon thau lang hin yo skum hin yo trem ngi la pu ngi la phim kom ki so ki sentiu ba i hun ba i tenna ane kenra ngi ngu mo ngi dem ngi kerpat hak man ki le snong ki le thao le mulum le jaka ani ngi dangu ngi dadem ya ki le maring kau ya ki le ma basa ki nong da ki nong ker ki nong kit ki nong ba haba ngi ngu ngi dem ya ki blai ki me blai ki pa blai ni pan haring kat ni ya ki te ki ring kau ki basa ki badon ha mulup ki dadon ha jaka ha le snong ha le tha ani da kerpan mo ban biang la ka kot la ka khya la ka shat la ka thur ni da biang kan rat ho ban ker khu ban ker do ban nang krau ka mai ka ji ka khai ka patak ani kin ran ngida kerpan ya ki blai ki ring kau ki basa kinang da kinang ker ya ka khlam ya ka ngo ya ka tai ka terut ka sima ule bor u thombor u dakat uruna tetang kita mo ki Kyntien ngadangu ngadadem hakiman ki jong phi ko bilai to ai bor to ai bun mo yangi mo ukhun hin yoskum hin yotram ngindang la mo banri ban sumal ya ka biang ya ka bin ban pene ya ka nam ya ka rukom ya ka riti ya ka dustur balabu ni ukong kendra ngangu ngadem kendra si hajangu si hajangu si hajangu.
Now we'll have a music performance by the students of Katibian Kiswarhara, Seng Khasi Kmie Performing Arts School. They will be performing the Seng Khasi anthem, Jing Kari, Prayer of the Land. This song carries a very important message for all of humanity, and I'll read out the first verse and the last verse, the English translation by Kong Bijoya Sauyan. Flowers of this land of ours, they bloom and emit their fragrance to worship the Creator. They bloom and emit their fragrance to worship the Creator. With mankind too, so many races He has created. Each has his culture and tradition to glorify the Creator. Each has his culture and tradition to glorify the Creator.
Kari
Now we will have the felicitation of Honorable Governor Shri Satya Pal Malik by Shri Dorbar Hall President Seng Khasi. Now we'll have a speech by Shri Satya Pal Malik, Honorable Governor of Meghalaya.
Friends, I am very delighted to have watched this film titled Kaho Ka Shri Kyntien, The Truth, presented by Seng Khasi Kmie, Mahar Shillong. The film sheds immense light on the Khasis and their way of life, belief and thought. The deep wisdom, precious knowledge and universal teachings that are conveyed by the film are a treasure of the nation and of all mankind. I hope many more screenings will follow this one and that more such films are made that can enrich each and everyone. The film is a great example of one of our nation's most valuable assets, spiritual knowledge and teachings. I convey my heartiest thanks and gratitude to the Seng Khasi for their selfless and human work to keep alive the infinite wisdom and beauty of the indigenous faith of the Khasis, Niyam Khasi. Despite all the challenges they had faced, over more than a century, they have preserved and also further enriched the Khasi culture, traditions and the religion from which all these flowers have bloomed. Kiwei, Jai Hind.
Now we have come to the end of the program. May I request everyone to stand for the national anthem.